Hello students, today we will discuss about the topic endocrine glands and this topic is for class 8th. So let's start the topic in detail. So first of all we have to know about this that what are endocrine glands? A gland that secrete a substance means hormones into the bloodstream. The endocrine glands are the glands of internal secretion. They include the hypothalamus, pituitary, pineal gland, thyroid, parathyroid gland, heart which make arterial and natriuretic peptides, the stomach and intestine islets of Langerhans in the pancreas, the adrenal gland, the kidney which makes renin and calcitorial fat cells, the testis, the ovarian follicles and the corpus luteum in the ovary. These all are the endocrine glands. So students, first of all we discuss about the pancreas. The pancreas is a long flattened gland located deep in the belly abdomen. Because the pancreas isn't seen or felt in our body in our day-to-day lives, most people don't know as much about the pancreas as they about other parts of their bodies. The pancreas is, however, a vital part of digestive system and a critical controller of blood sugar level. After the pancreas, we will discuss about testis. The male sex gland located behind the penis in a pouch of skin called the scrotum. The testes produce and store sperm and are also the body's main source of male hormone such as testosterone. These hormones control the development of the reproductive organ and other male characteristics such as body and facial hair, low voice and wide shoulder, also known as testicles. Now, ovaries, the female gonad, one of a pair of reproductive gonad in women. The ovaries are located in the pelvis, one on each side of the uterus. Each ovary is about the size and the shape of an almond. The ovaries produce egg or ova and female hormones. During each monthly menstruational cycle, an egg is released from one ovary. The egg travels the ovary through a fallopian tube to the uterus. The ovaries are the main source of female hormone which control the development of female body characteristics such as breast, body shape and body hair. They also regulate the menstruational cycle. Now the next gland is adrenal gland, a small gland located on the top of the kidney. The adrenal gland produces hormones that help control heart rate, blood pressure, the way the body uses food, the level of minerals such as sodium and potassium in the body, and other functions particularly involved in stress reactions. So students, after adrenal, next gland is pituitary gland. The main endocrine gland, it is a small structure in the head. It is called the master's gland because it produces hormones that control other glands and many body functions including growth. The pituitary consists of the anterior and posterior pituitary. Now the last gland is thyroid, a gland that make and store hormones that help regulate the heart rate, blood pressure, body temperature and rate at which food is converted into energy. Thyroid hormones are essential for the function of every cell in the body. They help regulate growth and the rate of chemical reactions. metabolism in the body. Thyroid hormone also help children grow and develop. Students, this is enough for the endocrine glands, and I hope you like the video. Bye bye all, and have a nice day all of you.